Hello and welcome to our exploration of the historical and religious significance of 1st January. Today, we delve into whether this globally celebrated day has any connection to religion and how its meaning has evolved over time. Let's begin. 1st January, as the start of the new year, is deeply rooted in history and tradition, particularly influenced by Christianity and ancient Roman customs. In the Christian liturgical calendar, 1st January is traditionally observed as the feast of the circumcision of Jesus. This event, celebrated 8 days after Jesus' birth on 25th December, commemorates the Jewish practice of circumcision as mentioned in the Old Testament. For centuries, Christians marked this day with prayers, hymns, and blessings to honor the beginning of a new year in the light of Christ's life. But Christianity isn't the only contributor to the significance of 1st January. The origins of this date as New Year's Day can also be traced back to the Romans. Did you know that January is named after Janus, the Roman god of beginnings and transitions? Janus, often depicted with two faces looking to the past and the future, symbolized renewal and fresh starts. The Romans celebrated this day by making offerings to Janus, seeking his blessings for the year ahead. Now, how did 1st January come to be globally recognized as the new year? For this, we need to understand the Gregorian calendar. The Gregorian calendar was introduced by Pope Gregory XIII in 1582, reforming the earlier Julian calendar. This calendar standardized 1st January as New Year's Day across much of the Christian world. Over time, the day transitioned into a more secular celebration, embraced by cultures and nations worldwide, regardless of religious beliefs. So, does 1st January hold any significance for other religions? For many religions that follow their own calendars, such as Hinduism, Islam, and Judaism, 1st January is not inherently religious. For example, Hindus celebrate their new year on different dates, such as Ugadi or Diwali, depending on their regional traditions. Muslims follow the Islamic lunar calendar, with the new year beginning on the first day of Muharram. Similarly, the Jewish New Year, Rosh Hashanah, occurs in early autumn. While 1st January is not central to these faiths, many communities worldwide acknowledge it as a cultural or global milestone due to the widespread adoption of the Gregorian calendar. Today, 1st January is celebrated more as a secular event than a religious one. From fireworks and parties to resolutions and family gatherings, it has become a universal marker of fresh beginnings. People from all walks of life and beliefs come together to reflect on the past year and set intentions for the future. In summary, January 1's significance has evolved from its roots in Christianity and Roman traditions to a global celebration that transcends religion. While its origins are steeped in specific beliefs, its modern observance unites people in the spirit of renewal and hope. Thank you for joining us on this journey through history and culture. We hope you found this exploration insightful. Wishing you a joyful and meaningful new year ahead. Until next time, take care.